We have a timeless classic here with some nice modern upgrades. This is a body off frame rotisserie restored 1957 Chevy Bel Air two-door sport coupe. It has its original 283 power pack motor, which is a 4-barrel with dual exhaust. It has power steering. Power disc brakes have been added along with air conditioning. Has a lowered suspension, obviously some bling bling wheels, and it is restored beautifully. Go to volocars.com. There's 200 classic cars, all for sale. Each one will have the price tag and a monthly payment attached to it, including this one right here. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. I think we're both in for a treat. From what I've seen, this thing's really exceptionally nice. So the hood is like red glass. I mean, everything I see here, pristine. Got the chrome rockets, just beautiful. This paint is polished out really nice and smooth, no issues. I have nothing to complain about here. All very, very nice, clean straight rockers, shut solid, red painted roof, all beautiful. All this is looking really sharp. This is all looking really sharp, just straight like glass. I'm not seeing anything that I don't like about it at all. The gaps are nice, fits real nice, shiny, straight, beautiful. This side looks like it's just as nice. And I'm talking even down low, all looking really sharp. Look how that shuts, just like thunk, nice and solid. So the body and paint is exceptional. I think the chrome and trim is really exceptional. It just glistens. Just look at it. This is stainless steel, and it looks like it's chrome plated or polished like chrome. All of the pieces of trim, even up on top the doors here, the handles, the side moldings, the mirrors, the vent window frames, rocker moldings. I mean, it's glistening. It's beautiful. It's not dull. It's not scratched. It's not beat up. Everything up front here also just sparkling, has the correct T3 headlamps. It does have the gold V, the emblem in the middle, the lenses, everything's just beautiful. Has the correct antenna that looks like new. Dual mirrors, that would be an option. And guess what? Even all the glass is replaced all the way around. They all roll up and down real nice and smooth and fit nicely. Dressed up with some beautiful new American Racing chromed wheels. They're 18s in front, 20s in back. They got the suspension lowered that fits right up in there, just right. They got the stance looking good. So this is a stunning car. In back, all this is beautiful. This one piece here, I don't want to say it's tarnished, but it has a little bit of like a nickel look to it, where all the rest of it is just gleaming, sparkling. As the brass license plate frame. You remember where to put gas in, right? This also has the optional reverse lights. All right, let's open up this beautiful 57. I got a lot more to show you inside. Okay, before we open the trunk, I want you to just take a closer look. This is stainless steel. It's polished like chrome. And this isn't glass. This is actual red paint. Just look at how exceptional everything is. And it makes a difference. This one just stands out. Look at underneath the trunk lid, all painted slick. The weather strip is replaced. The jamb is even painted slick. The whole inside of the compartment completely restored, all clean metal, all painted body color as a reproduction rubber mat. We have a complete restored jack and spare assembly sitting here. So that's what I call a clean and complete trunk compartment. You can go to volocars.com, see 200 classics, and you should also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click the bell icon. You'll be notified when the new ones are posted. So this is a rotisserie restoration. They took it all apart. You can see the door jambs are painted real nice and slick. Weather strips were replaced. Sill plates are new. Complete reproduction interior. The two-tone door panels, the red with the red and black trim, and all the handles and armrest, everything looks new. All the metal inside, all painted smooth, slick, and glossy. Original style gauges, but they are replaced. All of the trim across the dash is all replaced. original style heater controls, but when they put the air in, they put new controls in. They're not old cables that you got to push. It's electronic. Has a Wonder Bar radio. When you turn it on, the dial starts moving, but I couldn't get any music out of it, but it's cool that it has it. It has a clock, which is ticking. All nice, beautiful. It has new air, but they put original style vents. That's how air would have looked like in 57. So they made it look nice. Kick panels are new, nice floor mats, nice fitting carpet. This is an aftermarket air vent. It will blow ice cubes on your lap. So the seats look beautiful. I love the silver piping. I love this design. I love the silver buttons. That's all factory correct. And they're rebuilt too. The cushions, springs, whatever they did underneath there, all feels real nice. Same nice carpet, Bel Air floor mats. Same nice upholstery. The side panels, all that's redone. You might have noticed there's red seat belts for front and back passengers. The rear shelf is new. All the chrome inside is new. The headliner looks new. No wrinkles or tears. The dome light works. The visors were replaced. As a day and night mirror, that looks new. Steering wheel looks new, and the handles, the shifter, the turn signal. Just a really, really nice car. I hope you can kind of sense the enthusiasm I'm trying to share. I look at a lot of cars, and I'm telling you, this one is exceptional. I'll never use the word perfect. You might find a little touch up here or there or something like that, but this is a really, really nice car. So that is the 283. They call it the Power Pack. 220 horsepower. It's code FC, which is correct for this car. That would have the 4-barrel carburetor, and this one has the gas fuel filter. It has the choke tube, stock manifolds, Chevrolet script valve covers, stock air cleaner, distributor. Even looks like it has dated spark plug wires. Everything on the firewall, all nice and clean. Hinges look like they're finished nice. Battery is bolted down properly. And you can see the new air conditioning neatly installed. So up front they did put an electric fan, keep the motor running cool. Got horns hooked up. Got a shroud. Also has the fan from the engine, so you got 2 fans cooling it. So we got windshield washers. I don't know if I've ever even tried one, but it was a factory option. It's there. It's cool. This is an aftermarket vacuum reservoir to help with the new power brake system they put on. It has dual reservoirs instead of a single like you would have had in its power. It has electric wipers. That's an option. Power steering. There's something that's attached to the generator. Generator spins the power steering pump. So we got a power pack, power steering, power brakes, and air conditioning. And look how everything is detailed and installed properly and looking really good. Michael's going to show you how it runs, and we'll see you in a little bit. So when I say it's a body off the frame rotisserie restoration, that means it was taken down to nothing. It means the body was lifted from the frame. By then, everything was removed from the body and it was flipped on a rotisserie, like you see a chicken. That way they can spin the body around, they can work underneath, they can work on the down low areas, they can work on the roof and really get a premium result. Matter of fact, the floors are so nice, spotless metal, that it's painted the red oxide primer like from the factory, and then they even clear coated it to give it a nice durable finish. But spotless floors, the entire frame and all the chassis components were prepped and painted a pretty glossy, semi-gloss black. All of the suspension and steering was rebuilt. It does have lowering springs in front and lowering blocks in back. Factory style dual exhaust system going all the way out the back. The fuel system was all replaced, including the tank. Brakes were completely redone, upgraded with drilled discs in the front. E-brake is hooked up. You look up at the motor. The oil pan is not dented. It's spotless Chevy orange. Correct starter. Has the correct canister type oil filter that they would have used back then. Power glide automatic transmission, also clean as a whistle and shifts and works beautifully. The correct rear end and back, you can tell, was all apart. All the nuts and bolts, were disassembled when it was painted. So that's been serviced. So really, really a nice car, front to back, in and out. You just touch the key and it starts. Goes into gear nice and smooth. I think this one really is a winner in all regards. Now, all you have to do is go to volocars.com. Salesman will help answer your questions, including how you're going to get your 57 Bel Air to your home and how to get it financed if you need that too. Thanks for watching.